Hi everybody, it's time for our festive craft, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own little snowman. Now the great thing about crafting is that you can be as personal or as creative and as individual as you like. So if you want to create a little snowman just like mine, you're absolutely welcome to, or you might choose in the design stage of our craft to go in a completely different direction and create a snow lady or a snow cat and dog. You can add different accessories, different body parts. You could add some ears, you could add a tail if you're doing an animal. The choice is completely up to you, and you can make your little snow person exactly how you want to. So you're going to need the template here for these longer rectangle shapes and these shorter ones here, and these are going to become the head and the body of the snowman. And then if you want to make a little top hat like I've done, you're going to need this piece with the black rectangle and the black circle on. So first of all, take your scissors and cut along those dotted lines, and you want 4 rectangles. Now this is one that I've already started cutting here, so I'm just going to show you this one. So cut all the way along, and you want the 4 longest strips. Chop all the way down. Then what I want you to do is keep this part, because that you're going to need again in a moment, and take your rectangles and fold them in half as neatly as you can, because that line in the middle is going to become a guide for the next part of our snowman. Put those 2 bits together, so I'm going to be a little bit quicker, she says, by folding them together. So fold them, and then what I want you to do is open them up again, because you need them to make our next part. So you should have 4 rectangles that are folded just like that. What you need to do now is to make a star shape, and because this, when we fold them up together, is going to become the round sphere body of our snowman. So take your glue and put a little bit on that line that we just folded, and make a cross shape first. So you should have one that looks like that. Do exactly the same again, put a little bit of glue on that guideline that we made with the fold, and put it diagonally, and then the same again, and then you should have a star that looks just like this, okay? Now we're going to fold these pieces up to create the round sphere body of the snowman. So take your glue again and put a little bit on the ends of each point of your star. Miss out that bottom one, because otherwise it gets a bit sticky. So just don't put any glue on there. And then you're going to need to fold them up. So start with your top bit and your bottom bit, bring them up together and just hold them together. And you should get that shape like that. Do exactly the same again, so start in the middle section there, fold them up together and stick them on. Do the same for each piece, and then, here's one I made earlier. You should have your snowman's body. So to make the head, you do exactly the same again. Take your template, cut them out so that you've got your 4 rectangles, glue them together to make another star, and do exactly the same again. Put some glue on the ends of each of them, miss out the bottom one so it doesn't get sticky, and fold them up to create that sphere shape. So you bring them up so you've got that round shape, and again, I'm doing it super speedy, but you will take much more care and time than me. And you should have, here's one I made earlier. I love saying that. You should have a head and a body. So you need to stick those together. So pop some glue on the bottom of the head. If you squash it down, that's okay, because you can flatten it back out. You can move it back out again once you have put your glue on and you've stuck it down. You might need to get your fingers in between, just in those little gaps, just to hold it together. And then you should have your snowman, your snowman ready to go with his head and his body. So set him to one side so that he can dry. And then if you want to make a top hat like I did, take this 2 shapes and cut those out. So cut them both out, and again, here's one I've already made, and you should have the 2 pieces that look like this. So the circle is going to become the base of the hat, and this rectangle is actually going to make this cylinder shape. And I've got a very clever trick just to help it become a bit more 3D. Take your scissors again and just do a couple of snips, or a few snips along, just a few centimetres apart, to create these little flaps. Can you see? I've got some little flaps there, and because when I fold that round, those can then go down a bit, and then it's easier to stick to the base. So take your glue again, put a little bit of glue along the edge of your rectangle and fold it round to create a cylinder shape, and then you should have those flappy bits already starting to stick out. And if you bend them back slightly and then add your glue onto those, it just makes it a little bit easier when you're sticking it together. Again, put some glue on all of those flaps there, and again, doing it super fast to show you. And then you should have your top hat. So then you need to stick it together, and this is the part where you can be really creative and really fun. Now, if you wanted to put some glitter, if you've got some eco-friendly glitter and your grown-ups allow it, then it would be a great time to put some glitter onto your hat before you stick it together. And you can choose how you want to accessorise your snowman. So you can add a scarf, you could just use some coloured paper, you can decorate a scarf in any way you like, you can use some ribbon or a pipe cleaner, you can change, you don't have to use googly eyes like I've done, you can do whatever you like to decorate your snowman. And when it's all together, we would love to see some pictures, so please send them in, and we are very excited for you to make your very own little snow person.